I was very tired today because it was a hot day and now I'm very sad. Stop saying very. Well, I don't mean stop using very. What I mean is replace very with some strong words. Instead of using very, you can use alternate words which will not just increase the vocabulary but will also help you improve your written and spoken English. And if you want to learn some more strategy as to how to improve your written English, I have a video called KISS Strategy to Improve Your Written English. I will leave the link somewhere here. I will also leave the link in the description below. Today I have a list of 20 words that we often use with very. I will give you 2 alternate words for each of them. So let's get started. Very often, frequently, regularly, very sure, certain, assured, very hungry, starving, famished, very clear, evident, obvious, very cold, freezing, icy, very busy, hectic, swamped, very scared, terrified, petrified, very special, extraordinary, exceptional, very colorful, vibrant, prismatic, very mean, cruel, malicious, very happy, aesthetic, euphoric, very angry, furious, outraged, very beautiful, gorgeous, ravishing, very bad, awful, atrocious, very big, massive, giant, very cute, dainty, adorable, very sad, sorrowful, dejected, very painful, excruciating, tender, very old, outdated, ancient, very good, outstanding, excellent. Give a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment below what other topics you want to see in this channel. And if you think you have enjoyed the video today, you might want to check these videos as well. Until next time, keep smiling and keep shining. Bye-bye.